According to the Health Ministry, India on Monday reported its biggest single-day spike of 4,213 infections, taking the total number of confirmed cases in the country to 67,152. Of these, 20,917 are recovered patients, while 44,029 are active cases. The death toll stands at 2,206. The latest rise is beyond government's analysis that the central government had shared with the state chief secretaries late last month. The government had projected India to cross 65,000 COVID-19 cases by May 15th. Delhi has crossed the 7,000 mark in the number of coronavirus cases, with 300 people testing positive for the disease in the last 24 hours. The total number of cases now stand at 7,233, the third highest in the country. 60 people have recovered from the disease in the last 24 hours, bringing up the total number of discharged patients to 2,129. And 73 people have died from the disease. Data shows Delhi took exactly a month to jump from 1,000 to 7,000. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a virtual meet with chief ministers today, said that while his government's efforts were for everyone to stay where they were in the fight against coronavirus, certain decisions had to be changed because it was human nature to want to go home. His fifth such consultation is to discuss a plan for life after May 17th, when the nationwide lockdown is due to end after its second extension. As a special train with migrants was rolling out of the station on Sunday, in Congress-ruled Punjab, each passenger was handed a pamphlet. "Your ticket was paid by Sonia Gandhi," said the flyers distributed at Batinda station by Congress MLA. The MLA, Amrinder Raja, showed up with a contingent of Congress workers to see off the migrants heading to Bihar's Muzaffarpur and ensure they knew who their benefactor was. For the first time since its inception, the Supreme Court will have a single judge bench hearing certain kind of petitions from Wednesday. The new system is being introduced to dispose of piled up pending cases. A Supreme Court bench typically has at least 2 judges. The single judge bench will hear appeals of bail and anticipatory bail petitions in cases that involve offences liable for punishment of not more than 7-year jail term. The government has said that as the train services restart tomorrow for limited operations, passengers will need to be at the station 90 minutes in advance and entry will be stopped 15 minutes before the train leaves. The passengers will be screened before they enter the station and only those who are asymptomatic will be allowed to board. Passengers have also been asked to travel with light luggage. They have to follow social distancing and keep their masks on throughout the journey, according to SOPs put out by the Home Ministry.